DSWD Dinky Soliman lauds efforts of reaching out to the poor through the cooperative movement. Joey Sem Dalumpinas of the Philippine Information Agency filed this report.
Social Welfare and Development Secretary Corazon Dinky Soliman lauded the Maspec Cooperative Development Center in the government's effort to reach out to the poor. Speaking at the 40th Maspec General Assembly and the 45th Co-op Leaders Congress at the SMX Convention Center, she acknowledged the involvement of the Maspec Cooperative Development Center in bringing the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program funds to its recipients in the countryside. Soliman said the presence of the Maspec accredited cooperatives in the communities makes the delivery of funds easier between the DSWD and the PPPP beneficiaries, especially those who can no longer be reached by the Land Bank of the Philippines. Soliman said that the 3% drop in poverty levels among Filipinos and Filipino families at 24.9% and 19.1% respectively compared to the estimates in the same period in 2012 demonstrated a significant achievement in the pursuit of the government and the private sector to end poverty.
Meron tayong 20, I think, members dito ng primary co-ops na nagbibigay ng pautang, microcredit at sa microinsurance. Malaking tulong yan sa ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na yung mga tinatawag nating near poor, yung malapit ng umangat mula sa kahirapan pero kulang ng kapital, kulang ng market linkage, kulang ng kaalaman kung paano pagandahin pa yung produkto. So ito lahat ang ang malaking tulong ng cooperatives, lalong-lalo na ng Maspec.
She said the 1 billion peso assets contributed by the Maspec to its clients have helped many Filipino families reach self-sufficient levels. Soliman said it also attests that the programs of the Matuwid na Daan and efforts of the organizations like the Maspec are the starting point to make significant impact in the lives of our people. She said inclusive growth has been one of the goals of the Aquino administration. Soliman said that the coming together of people through the cooperatives will push the people to pursue their sustainable livelihood and improve their quality way of life. Gadwin Handumon, chair of the board of the Maspec Development Center, assured that their cooperative movement will continue providing opportunities to the poor. He said that members of the cooperatives must work hard to expand the reach in informing the people about the products and their services.
Our major is inclusive growth. And how are we going to do that? Maspec cannot do that alone. But with the primaries who are present in the field, just like what our partnership with the Poor Peace, in partnership with the DSWD, is a good example of cooperation, public-private partnership with the DSWD, Maspec, and the primaries in doing the Poor Peace disbursement in the field.
For the People's Television, Joey Sem Dalumpinas of the Philippine Information Agency Davao Region reporting.